I'd like to show you real quick what I'm working on. This is my master plan for John Adams. My research and my previous writings are being brought in and developed for a blitz campaign to release over the next year in restoring John Adams' proper place as the founding father among founding fathers. This is a bold claim based in thousands of pages of writing and research and development over the last, at least the last decade, a little more than a decade. And I am honored to bring this to the public. If you don't understand the importance of John Adams, or if you believe that he ought to be, as most publishers do, relegate him diminished alongside of figures like Franklin, who was at least his equal, Washington, Jefferson, Madison, Hamilton, others who he elevated. And especially if you believe that simply based on a footnote in most history books that he is deserving of denigration because of the Alien and Sedition Acts and his role in that, you don't know the real John Adams. And I look forward to introducing him to you. As of 2015, at least, I was the world's foremost authority on the formative years of John Adams. That is the period of time in his life that no one seems to care about. The making of John Adams, how he became the man who could lead the nation through the Revolution, which he did, and make vast contributions to the spirit and the character of America when it was in its purity, in its infancy, in its early years. And then we can talk about how Adams might seek to restore the American dream that time has taken.